Here I've got Neffos X20 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's open your Play Store. Then slide right to open more functions and go to My Apps and Games. Here in the first tab you will locate Updates, and as you can see you can either update some particular application, for example Google Drive, by tapping on Update right next to this application. Just give it a couple of seconds until the latest version is downloaded and then installed. And also you can see the progress right next to the application. As you can see now it's been installed, so just wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Now at the bottom of the list you will be able to notice recently updated applications, and this is Google Drive. You can also update all applications at once, simply click on Update All. And that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal way, and in the background all applications will be updated. So that would be all. This is how you can update apps in your device, in your Neffos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.